Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to log in online in DKB Bank. So all you have to do, follow me in the simple steps. Go to Google, search for DKB Bank. This is the keyword. When you click this one, click the first website here. You will see this page. Click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, you will redirect it to this page. This is login page, as you can see here. Just wait a few moments here. From this page, you have the option here, write your user and password. So in this case, write your user. After writing your user, click on your password and then click login. If you forget your password, click this one and then write your all details here, your email to verification, your email, and then you can repair your password. You can log in with your app. Just log in the DKB Bank app. After download this app on Google Play or App Store, you can log in successfully without any problem. Just click here and then complete your login process just like this one. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this